So I have 12 shirts I need to print. And the nice thing about these is I already have the screens up. This is actually a reorder of some shirts that I had already made, and they added to the order. So these are the screens here, and I'll probably get these done in less than 10 minutes. And that's an easy 50 bucks right there. Alright, so I'm all done here. 12 shirts, less than 10 minutes, $50 profit. Tell me of an easier way to make a quick 50 bucks in less than 10 minutes. That's why I love screen printing. Can't beat that. Not sure what you need to get started or just want to upgrade your equipment? Be sure and check out my Amazon store for the best deals on sale for screen print supplies and products all in one place.